Welcome, class, to our first week of the semester. Let's take a look at what's in store for you. On Canvas, on the left-hand side, under the Modules tab, you can click on Module 1, which is where you will find all of our course items listed for this week. You will begin by completing the introductions. The purpose of this introduction is to begin the getting to know you process. Part 1 requires you to answer the following questions. As you can see, there is also a Part 2 by responding to 2 classmates. Make sure to be aware of the different due dates. Below, for each assignment, you will be able to see the grading rubric, grading feedback, and circling back is referring to checking back after your initial post to respond to your classmates and engage with further interaction. You will post your initial by clicking reply, and then you can click next to see the next Canvas page on the career development stages. You can see a chart here with descriptions and the link to Chapter 1 reading. Next, you will see the discussion board on career development stages. The learning objective here is to identify the stage of career development that you are currently in to gain more self-awareness. Please read through the instructions as you will need to address the following questions. On your initial post, and Part 2 will require you to respond to 2 classmates. Again, be aware of the different due dates. Next, the career development stage analysis assignment will help you to gain more personal awareness by understanding yourself and the variables that affect life choices. You will need to review Chapter 1 table on the career development stages to complete this assignment. Make sure to address the 3 questions listed with examples here and submit at least 2-page analysis. A good habit to do is to always check the grading rubric to see if you are fulfilling all the areas and maximize your potential to earn full credit. If you have any questions, feel free to use the Canvas inbox. Good luck on your first week of the class.